Today we're going to talk about personalization. Personalization here are preset rules or conditions that appear in certain circumstances or to certain people that visit your website. This can be a notification bar on your site for people from a certain location, like maybe your business locals, or a pop-up that shows only at certain hours of the day, or certain verbiage customized for first-time viewers to your site or repeat visitors of your site. It's an extra way to add engagement and personalize the user's visit to your website. On our left panel here, let's click over to Personalize. And here we can see a collection of rules. Rules are basically the conditions for the website or the conditions for the occurrence of the personalization. Something that happens if a certain condition occurs. You can build your own by clicking here to New Rule or here on Build Your Own. But if you're new to this, I definitely recommend trying one of these pre-existing ones first so you can get a feel. We've got things like pop-ups, special promotions, visitor targeting by location, notification bars, special events, campaign URLs, and lots more. Let's take a look at one of these in more detail. Let's click into Notification Bar. There we go. Our first window here will be to establish the rule, and I'm actually going to click on this last option first, Rule Triggers. Now right now we can see it's set up to display at a certain time, but here in Rule Triggers we can set this to be anything we want, either for specific devices displaying the site, certain locations accessing the site, certain times as we currently have, a certain visit, i.e. the first visit or fifth visit, etc., or accessed via a campaign URL. If we leave this on time, then we can go up here to edit that time. So we can select a date. If it's not all day, then uncheck this and configure the start and end time. You can click here to make it reoccur if it's supposed to happen regularly. As you can see, you have a ton of control here allowing you to personalize this notification bar to specific users. Let's click Next. Now we actually get to design the bar. So you can enter your text. I'll put something simple for now, like "Don't miss our sale." And you can change the color, font, size, all kinds of good stuff. If we click into Settings, you can configure if it displays on just the home page or all pages. You can delay the notification, you can hide it after a certain time, all kinds of good stuff. Feel free to preview the rule as it's currently set by clicking here, and it'll generate a preview window here so you can see exactly what the user will see. And then we can click back to return to the designer. Pretty awesome. Let's click Next once again. And this last window allows us to name the rule and finalize it. And once it's published on your site, you can view it in real time in the browser and even track its performance here from your list of rules. So that's a little bit of insight into personalization for your website. Pretty powerful stuff and can really set your website apart.
For more training videos, please go to www.ignitesignsandvisual.com.au.